Hello, my name is Frank Jones. I'm the owner of First Consulting Group. What I'd like to do today is to give you an idea of the operations of the VIP 211. This is the basic satellite receiver used here at Park Place. What I'd like to discuss is one, the programming, number two, the operation of the satellite receiver, and number three, the most important thing to you, is the recovery of the QAM satellite system. What we'll do is discuss the program guide, and again, your program guide is simply found on your remote where it says guide. You press it just one time, it will bring up the guide. Right now we work for channels 100 to 200, which are the basic cable channels. From 200 to 300 are the basic news and sports channels. Channel 300 to 400 are your premiums, the HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, Stars. 400 is our basic advanced sports channels. 500, as you know, is pay-per-view. 600 is foreign programming. 700 is additional foreign programming. And then we go to channel 900. Those are the music channels, along with the 6000s, and those are the Sirius channels. And that's Sirius high definition or high quality digital satellite television radio. The next thing is the 9400. 9400 is where all the high definition channels are listed in order. Our basic operation shows that the HD channels are located on your regular channels. For instance, channel 2, and then you'll have channel 2 HD. If you have HD programming, when you tune to channel 2, it will automatically come up in HD. For all practical purposes, the use of a program guide is where most people use their remote. Once you're able to tune to a channel in the remote, all you have to do is press select and it will bring the channel up. Any other time when you're looking or searching for a channel, you can also use the browse function. That's the right arrow. When you move to the browse, you can actually move to a channel, find the channel, select that channel. You can go to the very first button on the left and press recall, and it will take you back to the channel you came from. However, the most important thing is to understand the use of your remote. The basic operation after you understand the local channels is that they're found at channel 2, 5, 11, 17, 34, 36, and 46, as opposed to the 8300 to 8310 that we had with the 03750 receiver. Why a new receiver? The HD 211 is a high definition receiver, but it's also an MPEG-4 receiver. That is the newest technology out now, and that gives you your best possible crisp picture. And I'm sure that with the proper connection, you'll have a very, very good picture. What we'd like to discuss now is the operation of the recovery of the VIP 211 satellite signal. What normally happens when a person will go out of town, the receiver may scan itself out and there will be no signal when you return. The simplest way to recover that signal would be first to go into the menu. You go into the menu, you press number 6, which is system setup. Press number 1, which is installation. You would then press number 1 again, which is QAM signal. You would use your remote and the left-hand arrow to toggle over to the first number, which will be the frequency. That frequency should be changed to put in 411. That signal, along with the signal that you use to scan from, we will scan from 111 to 501. Once you place those numbers in, you go over to where it says done and go up to scan. At that time, you press the scan button. You're then able to scan the receiver. Once you're able to see one of the scan transponders as being found, that will ensure you that your system will operate normally. And once the receiver is fully scanned, it will be just a few minutes and the satellite receiver will be back up.